Mirage is an all-in-one solution for your design projects and helps you monetize them. I will do a full campaign for you, so let's just jump right in. We're just gonna go on this photo that I got from the internet, right click, open in photo editor, go into our very own photo editor, and here we can see thousands of options to customize our own picture. But first of all, I can see a watermark here that kind of bothers me, so we can just and here we have our very own photo editor, and you can see thousands of options to customize our picture. But first of all, I see a watermark here that kind of bothers me, so let's just get rid of it. There we go. And we can just go to our thousands of stickers, go to bubbles, and we can grab this one right here, enlarge it, and we can just grab some text, whatever looks nice like this one, and we can put whatever we want. Marketing, SEO. Just make it smaller so it fits. Perfect. And we have our picture, we have our ad picture that we're gonna use in our second part of this amazing package. We're just gonna click on save, and we're gonna go to dashboard, and there we have it. It's right here, and we can just download it. And it's instantly downloaded, and we can move on to our next step. And the second part of this package is a WordPress plugin, the Mirage WordPress plugin. And you can see a lot of options right here, so we're going to go through all of them. We have the main settings where you can get your GetResponse or Aweber and integrate them for your email lists. You just go to AR campaigns, you click add new, and you fill in all the details, and the autoresponder campaign will just pop up right here. I'm very excited to show you. We're just gonna click on add new, put hi, select a ready-made template, and we can just go with this one. And there we have our main ad that we're going to use. You can add any text, image, video, button, field, or code you want. You can even change the lead boss settings so it fits your standards. You can even change the text inside, but we're just going to leave it like this. We're going to click on save lead box, and here we have it, our high lead box. We're going to create a new campaign, which was already created for us by the lead box. We're going to call it Mirage. We're going to put our picture, the one we just made. So click on upload, close and use image, and select our lead box, and then we're just going to click on update, copy this iframe, go to our pages, my fashion gallery, very important to put the HTML, custom HTML, put the iframe in, click on update, and there we have it. We have our own picture right here. And if a customer just hovers over the image, he'll find out the button and he'll see the ad. So that's everything you need to do. It takes less than 3 minutes to get it done, and you can monetize your ads, and you can monetize your web designs, and can do literally anything you could possibly imagine. So check out Mirage today.